looking at a brief overview, understanding circadian rhythms and their link to athletes and injury. So what are circadian rhythms? Now, these are natural internal processes that regulate the body's sleep-wake cycle and other physiological functions over a 24-hour period. They are controlled by the suprachiasmatic somatic nucleus, so the SCN in the brain, and influenced by external cues like light, darkness, and meal timing. These rhythms govern a wide range of biological processes, including hormone release, body temperature, and cognitive function. Circadian rhythms do relate to everybody, but how do they relate to athletes? For athletes, circadian rhythms play a really important role in optimizing performance and recovery. Now, key ways these rhythms impact athletes include performance peaks and troughs. So, physical and mental performance tend to peak at certain times of the day, often in the late afternoon or early evening, where body temperature, reaction times, and muscle strengths are at their highest. Training or competing outside these peak times due to travel or scheduling conflicts may result in suboptimal performance. Now, sleep and recovery. Sleep is a vital component of recovery, helping muscles repair, reducing inflammation, and supporting mental focus. Now, circadian misalignment caused by irregular sleep patterns or traveling across time zones can reduce sleep quality, slowing recovery and increasing fatigue. Now, energy levels. Circadian rhythms influence energy metabolism, meaning that mistimed meals or irregular eating patterns can disrupt the body's natural energy cycles, affecting stamina and endurance. The link between circadian rhythms and injury. So these are closely tied to an athlete's risk of injury. So reaction time and coordination. When circadian rhythms are disrupted due to jet lag, irregular sleep schedules, or late night events, reaction times and motor coordination decline, increasing the risk of injury. So, fatigue and overuse. So, poor sleep and circadian disruption can lead to chronic fatigue, reducing concentration and making athletes more prone to overuse injuries or accidents. Healing and recovery. So, recovery processes such as tissue repair and immune function are regulated by circadian rhythms. Misalignment can impair these processes, slowing injury recovery and making athletes more vulnerable to re-injury. Now, what strategies could we put in for athletes? Maintaining consistent sleep schedules. So aligning sleep patterns with natural circadian rhythms enhances recovery and performance. Managing light exposure, so exposure to natural light during the day and reducing artificial light at night can help regulate circadian rhythms. Planning for travel, so adjusting sleep, meal timing, and light exposure before traveling across time zones can reduce jet lag and performance disruptions. Understanding and managing circadian rhythms is really important for optimizing an athlete's performance, reducing the risk of injury, and enhancing overall health and recovery.